Off the shores of Gaza, something beyond imagination unfolded. Amid the ruins, hunger, and silence of war, the sea delivered a miracle. A massive whale shark, nearly 10 meters long, emerged from the waters. To the world, it was just a rare sight. But to the people of Gaza, it was a sign, a message from above. As the displaced gathered around it, smiles returned to faces that hadn't smiled in months. Children ran with laughter. Families forgot, for a moment, the sound of bombs. Their hearts, heavy with pain, suddenly lifted with hope. But why did this whale mean so much to them? Why did a sea creature stir such emotion among a people under siege? Because this was not the first time in history that Allah sent His mercy from the depths of the sea. Let's journey back more than 1,400 years, to the blessed time of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. A group of 300 companions were once sent on a mission, known as Sariya al-Kabat, the expedition of the leaves. Their food ran out, their bodies weakened, and desperation grew. With nothing left, they began to eat the leaves of thorny bushes just to survive. They were at the edge of death, until Allah's mercy descended from the sea. A colossal whale, known in the hadith as Anbar, washed ashore, fresh and pure. The companions ate from it for weeks. Their strength returned, their faith deepened. And when they brought some of its meat to the Prophet, peace be upon him, he confirmed it. The dead of the sea are lawful to eat. But beyond that ruling was a deeper message, that Allah never abandons His servants, even when the world turns dark. And now, centuries later, that same story seems to echo again. Gaza, besieged, hungry, isolated, has once more tasted mercy from the sea. The people who have eaten leaves to survive, who have buried their children with trembling hands, are the same people who still whisper, Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil. Allah is sufficient for us, and He is the best protector. When every path seems blocked, Allah opens one from where no one expects, just as He did for the companions. The whale that appeared off Gaza's coast was not just food. It was a message, a reminder that Allah's help is never far, and that even in the darkest nights, His mercy still finds the believers. After that miracle in the desert, the companions who once starved went on to become victors, spreading justice and light across nations. History is about to repeat itself. Maybe Gaza too will rise again, stronger, freer, and victorious by the will of Allah. Because when Allah sends a sign from the sea, it is never by chance. It is a whisper of hope, a promise that He never forgets those who believe. That's all for today. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, Allah's help is always near.